I'm here with Kevin Starkey, who is Business Development Executive for Armor. You're going to present us with a new flagship NAD receiver. Okay?
That's right, yeah.
It's a first here in the UK because it's not even in the market yet. This is going to be shipping in about another month or so.
Yeah, roughly September. The unit itself is a real step away from our last range. It's the first sort of receivers that have come out of our new factory. And it's got some quite special features on there. For starters, it's 200 watts power continuous out of all channels. Wow. So really can really drive anything. You could arc weld with it. Don't do that, obviously. The other thing we've got on there is some Odyssey Pro, which is the setup on there, which again is something we've gone into big time. The biggest problem with AV receivers
Odyssey integrated in there.
Yeah, already in there. The plan is that when you put one of these into a home, you have problems with rooms. People have hardwood floors now, etc.
I suggest that our readers, if they want some more detailed information, we've already done a video clip like this with that. So
indeed, yeah.
But it's inside there. That's
it's all
great.
Inside there. The other thing that's got on there is the ability to run 3 extra subzones. So when you're running it, if you want some sound in the kitchen, also a bit of video, you can do that from the second zone, and the third and the fourth could be a garden or something like that. So it's really quite clever. The other thing this does, if you are using it as a 5.1 amp, you can use the extra 2 channels to run one of the subzones.
Okay, so you can have stereo in one room and home cinema in another.
Exactly. And then obviously with the other ones, you just put a power amp on.
Behind you, Kevin, is a cutaway that has the same radiator in it. Maybe we can tell our readers a little bit of, this is another model. It's not the flagship.
No, this is the next one down, but the layout is virtually the same. We've got a brand new heat sink in there, which is taken from our master range. I don't know if you remember this from last year. The actual heat sink.
How could I forget you?
Good looking. It basically loses 60% more heat than a standard heat sink, and a lot of these units now are getting used to put in cupboards and hidden away. So as well as that, underneath you've got music sensing fans which cool down. The other thing this has got on there, which is quite special, is we're using surface mounted boards that can be removed. So when things like Dolby Digital HD come along, basically take the board out, put the new board in.
Okay.
Very, very simple.
Okay. Well, Kevin, thank you very much for this invitation on your private boat here at the CEDIA 2007. Looking forward to seeing you in the States and this out in the market with more details then.
Fantastic.
Thank you very much for this opportunity.
You're welcome.
It's been a pleasure. Thank you very much.
Bye-bye.